This is a NOB software demo for entering in payable checks. First thing it prompts me for is the bank code. I'm going to use bank number 16 and check number. I got a stack of checks here. So the first check on the stack is 106-111 and the date. We're going to use today's date. And the payee code. It's just a customer word lookup routine. If you know the customer code, put it in. If you don't, put words of the customer name in. Use the most unique words in the customer name. Now I know RAC, transportation, RAC is quite unique, so I'm just going to type that in. See? Line 6. And invoices. Enter them in one by one. And notice this is an interline payable. It has in the note their freight bill number. It reports the current balance due, and it always assumes you want to pay the full amount. If you don't, just type in any amount you want. Otherwise, you just hit the enter key. And you can go on and enter in another 50 line items, etc., etc. if you want. When you're done, you hit the escape key, and you're done. But there is an easier way to do this. Let's delete line 1. Let's go up here to options. Select invoices. We can select invoices from the COD payable module, the expense payable module, interline payable module, owner-operator payable module, and the sub-haul module. This customer is an interline payable customer, so I'm going to actually select the interline payable module, and it'll bring up all the invoices related to rack transport that have a balance. And you notice there's 55 line items. And we can scroll all the way down and see them. And we can scroll horizontal to see any information sliding off to the right side here. Now, which items do I want to select? I want to select them all. Or I can use the mouse and click here to select all, or I can use the keyboard and do a Control-A, and that would select them all. So now I have all of them selected that I want. I'm going to click OK, and all 55 lines are entered just like that. Gives us the total balance due $6,797.84. And we're going to pay $6,797.84. I can make changes to the date. I cannot change the payee code unless all these line items are blank or erased or deleted. That's the only time you can change the payee code, because this payee belongs to all these invoices. Okay, when I'm done, I just hit the enter key. And it brings up, do I want to process the item or write the record? Yes. This item's done. Move on to the next one. And we're done.